along with information about their forms, pronunciations, functions, etymologies, meanings, and idiomatic uses. I can help you understand your subject better, improve your communication, and improve your grades by making sure you are using your words correctly. If you want to search a certain word, just consult me. I am willing to help you. Don't be shy to open me. Come and open for your vocabulary. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Science Textbook. If you want to know more on everything, like living and non-living things, plants, animals, and everything on our solar system, land, sea, and the galaxy, it is science. It is me.
Hi, Science! Kamu ba?
Good afternoon everyone, I'm English Grade 7 textbook. You can find me Philippines, literature, grammar, and search for engine. I'm responsible for your knowledge with simple verb, figurative. Hope you will enjoy.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm DLA subject Technology, Agriculture, and Fishery. It's here on me. Industrial, Building, Metal, Crafting, and thank you.
Good evening, everyone.
Afternoon.
I'm Science 8. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Science 8. Force, motion, and energy, anatomy, physiology. Science, it's me, and I thank you.
Something magical.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Science 8. Force, motion, and energy, anatomy, and physiology is here on me. And there are lots of lessons to learn here. Please explore me.
Ah,
Like a unicorn. Do you still believe in something magical?
Magandang hapon sa ating lahat. Ako po si Samandilo Dalisay. Ang aking libro na ipresenta Edukasyon sa Pagkakatao. Dito po natin makikita ang pagmahal sa kapwa at magandang asal ay mapag-aralan, kumpiyansa sa sarili, maaari natin tungayan. Kaya tara na at pag-aralan.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Robert James Lumanaw, representing Mathematics book. The lesson we can get in this book is algebra. Set of real numbers, fundamental operation of integers, linear equation, and factoring. And I thank you.
sikat yan!
Like a unicorn. Do you still believe in something magical?
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Kenzo Drake A. Ibon na magpipresenta ng asignaturang Pilipino. Dito ay makikita ang magandang asal ay mapag-aralan. Kumpiyansa sa sarili, maaari matunghayan. Moral mo ay mapahalagahan, kaya ispi ating ipaglaban. And I thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Book Atlas. I am collection of maps, facts, and history about certain place. I have also stars, atlases, which give the location and firmament of stars, planets, and other celestial objects. And I thank you.
Like a unicorn. Do you still believe in something?
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Book about law. On the other distinction, I am useful. It take all.
Hindi ba cool ba?
I am useful.
Hindi ba cool ba?
It take all concepts to take that to say professions of law, and I thank you.
Magic's believing like a unicorn. Do you still believe in something
Good
magical?
afternoon, everyone. I am algebra. I am a set of real numbers, fundamental operation of integers, algebraic expression, linear expression, quadratic formula, and factoring. That's all, and thank you.
Something magical.
Good afternoon. I'm geometry. You will develop reasoning and solving problem skills for you will encounter. Thank you.
Good, Good afternoon, everyone. I am a computer dictionary and glossary. Computer terms. Dictionary definition: a computer jargons with 1,000 of picture and illustration. I thank you.
Magic something
Parang drawing lang na.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Comex, a children's periodical containing funny stories. Adventure is a form of comic stripe. Assassination Classroom is the first example of me. I thank you.
something magical.
Oy, tarong nga dahil, tarong nga.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm the history book. A history book that describes the history of a country, area, or subject.
Nice, bro.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Science of Economics. Economics is the study of scarcity and expectation for the use of resources production. Ground of the scarcity in production.
Eh,
Good afternoon, everyone.
okay mo.
My name is Philippines Travel Guide.
Tarungan
A
na.
travel guide, a travel book or travel guide is a book for information
Diretsuhan lang na.
about place, site for the use of tourists.
Thank you na yun.
It will
Thank you na yun. Thank you na
explain
yun.
information and science and etc.
Thank you na yun.
Thank you.
Go, Rap! Sige na, Rap.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Dictionary.
Yes!
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Biography. The story
Halala.
story of the life of a person written by someone else, or the area of literature relating to books that describe such stories. Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Atlas, collection of maps, facts, and history about certain places. I have also stars, atlases, and which give the location and placement for stars, planets, and other celestial objects.
Uy, tarunga ha.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Cyclopedia. The book is the set of books are and many objects
Di makulbaan ni siya. Di makulba.
alphabet.